After our first time of miscarriage, we took some tests, like maybe we consulted many doctors. We took some tests, and even to stop the bleeding, she was bleeding almost like
Yes.
three, 60 days. Yeah, more than 60, nearly 3 months she was bleeding. We tried almost all the doctors. I took her to my hometown, and yeah, many things we tried. And even for that also, like you only took us. And after that, her periods got regular, and we got a positive.
You guys did not stop. You were very committed couple that have got into this journey, and I loved it. That's the reason I used to not see. I never have seen any couple that they come and just on the behalf of on what they have paid, I have look after them. No, I see commitment. If they are not, if they are coming continuously and they're stopped, I will go and message them right personally. Where are you guys? Isn't it? I've done so many times with you people.
That's why we have Sharda, so we don't need anyone. So that's once we got the confirmation, we need to share to Sharda. How can we share? That's what we're thinking. Like immediately, I got a message from you. I was literally shocked whether there is any camera or microphone is there. She is just listening us, and then I just revealed directly. Like he contacted me, I'm just going to reveal like that. I just revealed it, and for our need you support. And whenever we just thought about you, like a god, you came like Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. It's there, right? Like all four, you were there. From the family, there was a push to be pregnant, and she was literally not at the time she was feeling good. She was completely bleeding, and her mother is also pushing. You need to get pregnant, and she took her to some hospital and gave some tablets. The doctor even properly, she didn't even properly checked her. Gave some blah blah tablets, and her mother has to come like every month. They just come and check here, like then you mentioned don't do all these things, and even after having all these things, our bleeding was not stopped. It came again. So it was literally like we don't know where to go. Like here, there is some they are knotting some rope and they are pulling us, and from even the doctors are they are pulling us, and we don't know where to go. Like so, at the time, one day, okay, let's leave all these things. We believe Shaka. So she's the only best soul, like who can read us, who knows us, and without even saying anything, she will know us about us and what is happening over here. So that is not like even if we are not coming to the sessions or maybe attending the call, so you will reach me why you're not coming and like that.